So let's have real talk. Let's get into the new trend of starting a YouTube channel over 40 and the easy mode. Okay. I wanted to jump on here because I feel like it's on my heart to address certain things with this new trend. Now, let me start by saying, I think absolutely 100% you need to do it, and you need to do it now. Just do it. If you're over 40, 40 is just the beginning. Let's be honest about it. 40 is just the beginning of the rest of your life. Okay? When you're 20, you're young and you're dumb. When you're 30, you think you know, but you don't. But 40, you know. You know who you are. You know what you like, you don't like, and you are ready to start the rest of your life and planning for your future. It is the time, and it's the time to do it now. Just do it. Okay? Let's be honest about it. There are so many successful businesses and people that started in their 40s. Let me show you guys, because I was researching this earlier, because I'm like, there's so many people that didn't start until they were 40. Look at some of the people that I found here. Chip Wilson started Lululemon at 42. Okay. You have Thomas Siebel. Systems started at age 41. All right. The founder of Intel started at 41. Eric Yuan, might not be saying that right, but created Zoom at 41. Vera Wang designed her first dress at 40. Okay. We have Henry Ford created the Model T car at 45. All right. Martha Stewart started her first magazine at 49 years old. Okay. And the list just goes on and on of so many people that started at 40. Okay. I even saw on here the founders of Gap started at 40. Donald Fisher was 40 years old when he and his wife opened the first Gap store. So that alone should tell you, yes, start your YouTube channel now. If that's what you want to do and you've been hesitant about doing it or afraid to do it, just do it. I have not been on here very long. I've just started in around September. So it's been almost 2 months. So I don't know. I'm still a baby. I'm still a newborn baby. But I'm growing. I'm learning, and I'm trying to research and do everything that I can to understand and learn. But one thing I've noticed about YouTube and the algorithm, and we'll just call her Alga, I don't think anybody knows Alga. We know she exists, but we don't know her. And I'm talking, I watched over hundreds of videos on how to get started and become a YouTuber and content creator. Okay, starting your YouTube channel. Everybody is all over the place. And nobody has the secret or the formula to Alga. She does what she wants to do. She's like a mystery. Nobody really knows. The only thing that I found that everybody said was be consistent and be yourself. That is it. Outside of that, everybody was everywhere, all over the place on what you should do. Do a thumbnail. Don't do a thumbnail. Do a description. Don't do a description. Do this, do that. Everybody, I mean, you would watch one video that said do it, and the very next one would be like, nope, don't. Everybody's all over the place. So what I have realized is I'm always me. I'm always going to be. And I'm going to take a little bit here and there, take everything with a grain of salt, trust in God, and do exactly what it is that I feel is for me and my platform in my channel. I don't believe in easy mode. I really don't, because I think that that's just something that Alga is trying to play out there. You know, hey, just, everybody's thinking that you're just going to jump on here, sit in your car, and share testimony. Honestly, that's great. It really, truly is. There's nothing wrong with sharing your testimony. The concern lies is how long are you going to be able to sit in your car and share a testimony? How long are you going to be able to share how much money you made off of sharing your testimony? That's what's concerning me is yes, you want to start and you want to get out there and start now, but I don't know if it's just almost like the clickbait that we have going on where everybody's doing this, but yes, we can all share testimony, but one or two times after that, it's like, how many more times is your people going to want to continue to see that? How many times is Alga even going to want to continue to see that or promote it? You know what I mean? I think that that's something that she may be doing now, but how long is she going to continue to think that that's the way to go? I don't know. So it does concern me on bringing value to your platform. I think that yes, you would share those things, but maybe have where that's just one part of your channel, which that's where this video is going to go in that real talk playlist. But it's not something that I'm going to continue, or that's not what my platform is. My platform is not me just sharing my testimony and not bringing any other type of value to my channel. My channel is about affordable travel, and that's what I intend to set out to do. I didn't start my channel because I'm 45. So to a degree I did, but not as a trend. It's because life was lifing, okay? 2023 was one of the hardest years of my life. And in December of 2023, I realized that I need to start to rethink and revamp myself. And that was my new beginning. My just beginning was 2023, December going into 2024. I told myself then, I'm tired of talking. I'm going to just do it. And in that, I brought myself back to when I was 4 years old. I've always said I want to be a businesswoman. Never once did I say I want to be a doctor or a lawyer. Always, I want to be a businesswoman. I'm going to have my name on a building and pull up in my little white convertible with my name on my parking spot. 4 years old. Here we are 40 years later, and I'm still talking about it. But not today, but when I said this, it was 40 years later. So 40 years later, I'm still talking. So no, 2024 was just do it. And I just went out. I just went to school. I got my travel advisor certification and I started my travel business. One thing with starting a business like that, you need clients. Facebook and Instagram brought me clients, but one thing I realized from my clients is they can't afford to travel. You know, they're like, ooh, that's expensive, or that's a little high, or we weren't thinking that. So I realized I need to be able to share tips, share how they can do this on their budget, or what things they can leave off to save, packing tips, how you can save money with the packing. And I realized I can't do that in a post. I'm going to have to go on camera and create a YouTube channel. I was terrified. I still am. I'm still scared of talking to a camera, but I knew I'm going to just do it. And here we are. But I also know that I want to bring value to not only my clients, but to anybody. Anybody can search it and be able to find my videos, and hopefully it will help them in their travel experiences and to save them money. And that's what it's about. I feel like, yes, start your YouTube channel. Why not do it? Now is the time. But I also say, just make sure that you have value, that you're bringing value to your family, your tribe, or whatever you want to call it, your community. Make sure that you have something where they want to continue to follow you for years to come, or other people are able to search your video for years to come. I don't believe in the easy mode of sitting in your car and not putting a title on your thumbnail. I don't think that that's the way to go. I maybe one or two videos, cool beans, but every single video, I don't know. I'm over 40. So for me, I don't have time to guess what I don't have time to guess, well, what is that video about? That's clickbait. I don't like it, and I don't want to do it to my people, my friends. I don't want to do that. And it makes me, where I'm the type of person, I keep right on scrolling because I'm like, I don't have time to try to figure that out. So I want to say, be careful with that. Do however you would want to view yourself or view other people. Think about that. It's not about a quick buck. It's about longevity. And we're at an age where we should want that and think that, leaving a legacy behind. I'm doing this to feed myself and my daughter, but not only that, but to leave something behind, a legacy for her. Maybe she wants to take on the business when I'm dead and gone. I don't know. But I want people to understand that, yes, now is the time. I am all for everybody joining. But I also feel like, just be yourself. Do what you feel is right, and not necessarily just following the trend because they were very successful in it and it was profitable for them. I think that I don't know how long Algo is going to allow this to go on, but I just don't want it to be where it was a one-hit wonder. And that's what I'm afraid of, why I don't wish to continue to think about it being an easy thing. I want to continue to bring value to my channel and do the things that I think will help my channel grow. But that being said, I hope that everybody is very successful in their journey in starting their YouTube channel. If I can help in any way possible, please leave me a comment or message me. I will be more than happy to share what I have learned so far. If you want to hear more tips about what I've done or what I've learned editing a video, let me know that too. Because truthfully, it was very overwhelming learning the things that I've learned so far, and I'm still learning. I'll be honest about that. But if I've provided any value today, just let me know. And again, if you're thinking about it, just do it. I would love to see what you're going to bring and what you have to offer or share. And that being said, take care, stay blessed, and be careful.